She cheated. The word hits you like a punch in the gut. All the love, all the trust, all the years, gone. You think the worst is over, but it's not. The real danger starts now. In this moment of shock, men make mistakes that ruin their life for years. They make their pain worse. Today, we're ripping the lid off the emotional chaos of betrayal. I'm going to tell you the 3 things you must never, ever do when she cheats. These mistakes will not only kill any chance you have of getting your self-respect back, but they will actually make her lose the last bit of respect she had for you. This isn't about getting her back. It's about getting you back. This is the truth about what you must do to save your own life after betrayal. The discovery is a kind of death. It feels like the world has stopped and everything you thought was real is just dust. You feel the pain, the anger, the confusion, and the overwhelming, terrible urge to do something, to fix it, to beg, to fight, to know why. But listen to me, brother. The moment she cheated, you lost control of her actions, but you gained absolute control of your reaction. And your reaction is the single most important thing that will decide if you crash and burn or if you rise from the ashes as a stronger, more powerful man. When she betrays you, you are standing at a fork in the road. One path leads to chasing, begging, crying, and losing your mind. The other path leads to silence, power, self-respect, and moving forward as the prize. Every fiber in your body will pull you toward the wrong path, but you must resist. The 3 things I'm about to share with you are the mistakes every broken man makes. These are the self-sabotage moves that turn the betrayed man into the pathetic victim she runs from. If you are hurting right now, if you are confused, and if you are ready to stop the pain and start building a life that no woman can destroy, then you need to commit to this truth. Hit that subscribe button right now. We don't deal in soft lives. We deal in the hard truth that saves men's lives. Don't let your pain teach you the wrong lesson. The first thing you should never do is beg, chase, or ask for one more chance. When you beg, you think you're showing love. You think you're showing commitment. But her brain, the primal, ancient part that controls attraction, sees only one thing: weakness. The core of a man's value, his frame, is his ability to walk away from disrespect. When you beg her to stay after she has clearly shown you she doesn't respect your shared commitment, you are telling her, louder than any words, that your fear of losing her is bigger than your self-respect. You are telling her that you need her to survive. Think about Mike. Mike found out his longtime girlfriend Lisa had been seeing her ex. Mike was devastated. He didn't get angry, he got scared. He started begging. He wrote long letters about how much he loved her. He cried and promised to be better, promising to give her more attention. He tried to fix the problem by giving her more of the commitment she had just thrown away. What happened? Lisa got cold. She felt disgust, not love. Mike's begging confirmed to her subconscious that he was low value. He was a man who would accept anything just to keep her around. She lost the last shred of respect, and she left him soon after, seeing him not as the love of her life, but as a weak man she had conquered. Your commitment is valuable. Your attention is precious. When you hand it over to someone who has already proven she doesn't value it, you are proving you don't value it either. You must, in the face of betrayal, go completely silent. Let her feel the consequence of her actions, not your pathetic attempts to save her from them. The second thing you should never do is blame yourself or try to rationalize her betrayal. After the shock, the mind looks for comfort. It looks for a reason, and the easiest reason to find is yourself. You start thinking, if I had made more money, she wouldn't have done it. If I had been more exciting, she would have stayed. If I hadn't been so busy with work, she would have been faithful. This is self-betrayal. You are taking her choice, her bad decision, her lack of character, and wrapping it around your neck like a chain. You are letting her off the hook for her personal failure. Consider Steve. Steve's wife cheated on him with a coworker. Steve's reaction was to blame his job. He told his friends, "It's my fault. I worked too much, I was boring, she got lonely." He tried to convince her that if she came back, he'd quit his job, stop seeing his friends, and dedicate his whole life to her. He was trying to earn back the loyalty she threw away. This is a disastrous mistake. Her cheating is her choice and her moral failing. When you blame yourself, you are telling her that cheating is an acceptable response to being bored or lonely. You are teaching her that she has no responsibility for her own actions. You are signaling weakness. A high-value man knows his purpose is separate from his woman, and he never allows her lack of commitment to destroy his own self-worth. If you are seeing yourself in these mistakes and you are ready to break free from the mind games and start building genuine self-respect, you need to stick with the truth. This is the place where men get their power back. Subscribe to this channel now and commit to being a man who respects himself more than he fears a woman.
The third thing you should never do is play detective or ask her why. Your mind will be poisoned with questions. Who was he? Did they have sex in our house? Why did you do it? You think if you just get the full story, if you get all the details, you will feel better. You won't. You will feel worse. When you ask why, you are asking the person who just betrayed you for the wisdom to explain her actions. You are asking the person who lacks character to explain character. This is pointless. The why is simple, because she could and she chose to. Think about David. When his wife's affair came out, David became obsessed with the details. He spent weeks digging through her old texts, checking her social media, tracking down the other man. He was trying to find the missing puzzle piece that would make the pain make sense. He found every disgusting detail. He knew where, when, and how. But did he feel better? No, he just had more painful images burned into his memory. He wasted months of his life living in the gutter of her betrayal. When you play detective, you are giving her your most precious resource, your attention and mental energy. You are allowing her betrayal to become the dominant mission of your life. You are letting her control your every thought, even when she's gone. A powerful man doesn't ask why. He doesn't need her explanation to know his own value. He simply says, "Your actions do not match my standards. I am done." He cuts the cord and focuses every ounce of his energy on himself. Your focus must be on building your own empire, not on cleaning up the mess of her bad choices. The solution is simple but hard. Go no contact and go to work. Your immediate action is silence. No talking, no texting, no calling. You pull back your investment 100%. And you take that energy you were spending on her and pour it all into your purpose. Hit the gym, start the business, learn the skill. You must become the man she is terrified of losing, the man who is so focused on his own mission that her absence is just a minor adjustment, not a catastrophe. Let me tell you about Mark. His wife cheated and left him for a wealthier guy. Mark's first instinct was to rage, but he caught himself. He went completely silent. He didn't beg. He didn't play detective. He took all his pain and poured it into his construction business. He worked 12 hours a day, got into the best shape of his life, and focused only on himself. 6 months later, his business doubled, and he was the most powerful, confident he had ever been. When his ex-wife saw him, thriving, silent, and completely unaffected, she tried to come back. Mark's only response was a polite, calm, "I've moved on." He won because he chose his own worth over her approval. You must choose to be Mark. Your pain is real, but it is also a powerful fuel. You must use that fuel to build a life so strong that no woman's bad choice can ever knock it down again. Never give your power away to the person who betrayed you. Protect your frame, protect your purpose, protect your peace. If this message has given you the clear path forward, if it's helped you see the light through the pain, then don't let this be the last truth you hear. Subscribe to this channel right now and commit to joining the men who choose strength over weakness, self-respect over chasing. Hit that notification bell and go rebuild your empire. The only person you should be loyal to now is the man in the mirror.